Hey guys, it's some old guy quoting again today, and I just wanted to show you that I ordered one of these guys online. There was some discussion in the news group about this guy, the Ultra Quiet portable wet dry vacuum, a Craftsman brand. I'm not sure if anybody ever said anything good or bad about it, but I figured I'd give it a shot because I'm going to need a shop vac, you know, to do some dust collection for the Lowrider. And I'm also going to need one of those cyclone dust separators too. I 3D printed one for the mostly printed CNC, and it works. But I wonder if a commercially made one might work better with smooth internals and all that. It looks like we have a vacuum head here, some plastic pieces. You notice how well pinball machines, they are convenient to have because they work well as a work surface. Ooh, we have the instruction manual. And then we have the device itself here. We've got some hose. So I'm hoping this is quiet and yet powerful enough to actually be usable. Ooh, looks like some assembly is required here. The wheels are not on. So let me see if I can slip it out of here without destroying too much. Now it's only like a 4-gallon capacity, but if I'm using one of those vortex devices, it shouldn't be that big an issue. I think I've got a 8-gallon or 10-gallon that I'm using on my mostly printed CNC machine. I finally emptied the bag after about a year of use, along with the Venturi or the Cyclone device. So some assembly required. I'm not going to read the manual. I'm going to just plunge ahead here. That's probably not a good sign. Okay, it sold me. I'm going to look at the manual. I have no idea how that goes on there. So this is probably printed in 47 languages, so it should not be too difficult to find how to put that on. Ooh, it's got a polarized plug. Woohoo! Yeah, there's all the parts. I know what the parts are. Assembly continued. I didn't know we started. Oh, there's stuff inside the collection tank too. Oh my, so I'll have to look. So that's a pretty easy opening. Oh, does that just, oh yeah, it just pulls off. There's a nice filter back there. Flip that guy upside down. Yeah, but wait, there's more. We have, you know, the couch or the padded chair attachment. We have a handle. We've got a little brush. We've got another little brush. And some wire brackets. There's some coasters in here. And a bag, of course. I gotta figure out what kind of bag this is. Oh, it's unlabeled. Very nice. Nope, there we go. Okay, so I'll have to get a part number off this bag and figure out what it is I need to order to have a spare here. Here's the foam filter that you know, opens up, of course, to wrap around probably that guy. And but wait, there's even more. What the heck is this? So this must be some sort of a accessory caddy or something that goes on the side. Yeah, I don't know that I need that. But, oh, and four screws. And then that's it for the inside here. So let's go ahead and go to the next step. It says with this thing facing upside down, insert the 2 casters. I can handle that. And there's a snap, so we're good there. Slide the rear wheels into the slots, making sure it's sure to match the wheel number with the corresponding number on the wheel slot, and use screws to secure them. Do not over tighten. So the number on this side, hopefully that's the number. says A and B. So let's check this out. This says B, so let's try A first. A. And it looks like there's a spot for a screw there and a spot for a screw coming off the top here. So it looks like they just probably slide in that way. Oops. Oops, losing some packing materials. Yep, here it goes. It's in. We'll slide this guy in over here. Just yep, that one's in. Okay. We'll look at the next step here. All right, it looks like the foam filter is for wet vacuum cleaning, which hopefully we won't be doing any of. So it says go ahead and put the top back in. Call it the power head. So I would like to use the bag though. It didn't say anything about the bag. What's the scoop there? Do not vacuum drywall dust, fireplace soot, or ash with the standard wet dry filter. Very fine dust may not be captured. So it looks like I need to get a fine dust filter. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put that bag in there. That popped over quite easily, I should say. And we're going to put the top back on as it rolls down the pinball machine here. There we go. That goes in there and in here. It looks like we got to get the handle put on. Insert the handle into the slots located on top of the power head and secure it with the screws. Do not over tighten. Yeah, I think that'll be good enough for now. We'll tighten it down with a big screwdriver when we find it. So, next up. So that's these guys. And these are kind of like a big clip, like a big binder's clip. They must go in here. No, I must be doing that wrong. There, that's better. It has to be flush down on the bottom inside here, and that's the way it should be. Grab all the brushes. We'll do the same thing over on this side. Go, that's correct. And next it has us putting this doohickey on someplace. Probably in back. Yeah, there's a couple of hooks there, looks like for it. A couple of receptacles right here on the back of this thing. I've got it upside down. I'll just pop that in there. Just like that. Whoops. And then we can go ahead and place all the parts. But there the piece goes. But the thing both you and I are here for, I think, is to hear how it sounds. So I'm going to put the nozzle on there. I'm going to take the tape off the switch and figure out where the heck the power cord is. Ooh, retractable power cord, pretty snazzy. I don't know if that's convenient or a waste of space. Oh, I saw you want to leave it right here. Oh, that doesn't roll off. We get it plugged into an outlet strip over here. Here we go. You know, it's probably not going to sound on camera like it does here. It's not too loud. Alright, there's one more thing I wanted to try. So I wanted to get the dB meter up on camera on the phone. I've got another camera down on the desk here recording the dB meter. It's a software app. on the iPhone, probably on every phone available. And I'm just going to adjust this a little bit down, just like that. And I'm going to try out the different vacuum cleaners I have laying around here, and I seem to have a few for some reason. This is a shop vac hang-up that we bought along years ago for in the laundry room, and I eventually tried to do something else with it and it didn't work. So let's take a look at the reading on this one. I don't have a hose, sorry. Well, it's about 90 on the meter, and I'll overlay that onto the screen here. Then we have this little guy that ended up left over from a thrift sale that my wife is trying to organize, and I said, hey, I might be able to use that, but it blows dust at me. So here, we'll take a listen. No, once again, no more hose. That's also about 90 decibels, according to the meter here. And then just for grins, we've got this monstrosity here that happens to be downstairs here. We've been using it as a downstairs vacuum. So let me make sure that, oh, it's not going to start that anyway. But we'll start her up and see what we're reading we get on it. I guess the beater bar is running down here. I didn't think it would be. To get that off. In any case, that was about 85 decibels. It's definitely better. And now we have the new one here, which you know, we'll try with the hose on and the hose off once to see what happens. Here we go. That's running about 79, 80, so it is quieter. Let's try it without the hose once. Just so we kind of compare apples to apples with some of the other ones. And that brings it up to about 83 or 84. So this is quieter than just about every other one I've got here. So that's impressive. I guess we'll give that a thumbs up. And we'll see how effective it is once we get into using it on the CNC machine later on. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's some old guy coding again today, and I just wanted to show you that I ordered one of these guys online. There was some discussion in the news group about this guy, the Ultra Quiet Portable Wet Dry Vacuum, a Craftsman brand. I'm not sure if anybody ever said anything good or bad about it, but I figured I'd give it a shot because I'm going to need a shop vac, you know, to do some dust collection for the Lowrider. And I'm also going to need one of those cyclone dust separators too. I 3D printed one for the mostly printed CNC, and it works. But I wonder if a commercially made one might work better with smooth internals and all that. It looks like we have a vacuum head here, some plastic pieces. You notice how well pinball machines, they are convenient to have because they work well as a work surface. We have the instruction manual, and then we have the device itself here. We've got some hose.